Hello my friends, welcome to Talk to Me Tuesday for Tuesday, October 25th, 2022. This is Jennifer. Should be a fairly short one, guys. I did get some quilting done, but I haven't actually finished the quilts. So I'll show you my little quilted stack. These are all quilted. I think I've got 4. Yeah, I've got 4 here. They all have binding that's pieced and ready to attach. I kind of do assembly line, like I'll do a whole stack of quilts and then I'll pull a bunch of binding and then I'll piece a bunch of binding and I'll press a bunch of binding. You get the idea. And then I will sew like every step for each quilt at the same time so that I'll finish like that in a row. This one, I just want to note, came in the donation from the person who sent me stuff, who was one of the volunteers at one of the camps that Linus donates to. So I'm looking forward to finishing this one especially. So I did make this shirt. This is just like a Target men's t-shirt, and then the ghosts are made from iron-on vinyl that is glow-in-the-dark. So it has sort of a blue tinge to it, and I will share a picture with you guys because I did close the bathroom door and take a picture so I could share. There are a bunch of ghosts and other just like little images on the Cricut Design Space, and I just picked 3 that I like and I organized them the way I wanted, cut them out, iron them on, and this is my Halloween shirt for today. I don't know if I'll have a costume this year. I'm thinking about pulling my parrot out from 2018. That was the year that we went to the pirate themed holiday party. We'll see. It really depends on what the weather's like because it's quite a warm costume. I wore it in December and it has a lot of layers and it's not like cold here at all. So like we got a cold front and it's like 65 degrees I think. So yeah, so it's I don't know if it's going to be cool enough for me to wear that costume. We'll see. If not, I have a glow-in-the-dark ghost. Here's an old show and tell. Years and years ago, a bunch of us did I think it was a Halloween theme swap, and we did it on LiveJournal. I mean, that's how long ago it was. And this was my contribution. These were polymer clay pumpkins made to look like the little mellow cream candies, which I still love and can't buy because I can't have them in the house because I really like them. So anyway, I don't wear these much anymore because my ears have gotten really sensitive as I've gotten older, and I really only wear studs now. So these will be coming out as soon as I finish my video. I do have a super secret sewing project I'm working on, but I'm obviously not going to share that. I will show you some of the fabric though. So this is some of the fabric. It needs to be pressed, but this is a fabric pool for a super secret project that I hope to have done by the end of the week. That's it. That's all you're going to find out about that. So the other thing that I do want to share is I saw my daughter this weekend, and because she's a rock star, she brought me a knitted dishcloth. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a reindeer on it. You guys know how I feel about knitted dishcloths. So yeah, very proud of her. Really pleased that she made something for her mommy, and yeah, I'm gonna put this in with my Christmassy dish towels and stuff so that he can come out in December. So guys, that's really it. I did a lot of Linus paperwork last week, just getting the silent auction stuff all wrapped up. I like to clean everything up and have it ready for next year. That's how I work in general, and I'm curious if that's a thing that you guys do. So when I do anything, when I sew, when I work on any kind of project, whether it's like in my sewing room or on my computer or whatever, I really like to tidy up when I'm done, so when I come back, it's clean and organized and ready to go. When I don't do that, I regret it. I always regret it. So like when I finish sewing, I will always take 5 minutes and clean my sewing room so that when I come in, it's not a mess. Now it does occasionally turn into a mess because I'll throw stuff on my table, or, you know, I will put some projects out that I want to work on, but I don't leave my sewing machine out. I don't leave fabric out that needs to be put away. That's just how I am. I'm very organized, and I just wonder if that's how you do it. Do you do it that way, or do you work until your surface is covered and you can't work anymore? I know that there's like a whole spectrum of the way people do it, and I'm just curious, how do you guys do it? Yeah, so it's like just over a week until the International Quilt Festival. The Talk to Me Tuesday family will be having like a lot of together time, which I'm looking forward to, and there will be a Fandom and Stitches meetup. I'm thinking Saturday around 2. Don't quote me on that. If you are a Fandom and Stitches person, if you're part of the community, or you just like what we do and you want to come say hi, I'm thinking we're probably going to meet 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday up where the windows are in the convention center, where you can look down on the whole convention. And if there's somebody in the seating, we can all migrate somewhere else, but I thought that'd be a fun place to meet. It's kind of out of the way, and it's a really neat, it's a great place for selfies. Everyone that goes to the festival pretty much takes a picture up there, and a lot of us take a selfie because it's great to have that in the background. So anyway, there will be a Talk to Me Tuesday meetup just for us, and a Fandom and Stitches meetup probably Saturday. Look for more details on that. I'm gonna sit down and nail that down today. So yeah, you guys have a wonderful week. Have a crafty week. and I will see you next week. Bye.